These are the new.
Exclusive.
It's for when you have to pick your nose. You really see up there? Is that anything in my ear?
Longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah.
Hey, Pio, say a little something into the camera.
Say a little something.
Hurry up!
He said he told you.
Hurry up!
He said he told you. So, sorry we weren't awesome with this video, or the series I should say. I think the last time, if you just watched, it's probably the frame going together. Flash forward a couple months here, Frank's got all the body work done on the outside. Obviously, we have some fresh paint. This hasn't even been color sanded and buffed yet, but we wanted to get some stuff together. So we basically took it over today. So everything I'm gonna tell you right now, we just did today. Inner fenders went in, intake went on, heart fab made the fenders and these front pieces, so we got those pieces on. Just kind of closes off the core support right there. We got the grill on, the United Pacific headlights in and wired. Mounted the seats. We didn't have the seats mounted, so we had to make up some seat mounts on the CNC plasma, cut those up, painted them, put it there. We just put them in there loose because Steve's gonna have to take them back out to do the carpet next week when it goes to him. Bunch of work getting the tailgate and the hatch on. We got all those seals glued in right now and they're all taped up. So the plan right now is to get this thing back to Frank tomorrow. They're gonna cut and buff it for the rest of the week. And then Monday or Tuesday, it's gonna go to Steve, and he's got about 2 weeks to do the whole interior. Come back here for about a half a week. Actually, really just Monday, Tuesday. We'll get the hood on, the cowl pieces, the cowl itself. A motorcycle will drive by and make a bunch of noise. And then we're headed to LST. And hopefully LST goes good, because I've kind of been saying that we're gonna go for that best debut trophy. So we'll see what happens. We'll do another video follow up there. Build breakdown. I'll let you know everything that's in here when it's really done. But for now, we're all really excited. The truck looks awesome. Love the color. It's a unique color that we kind of stumbled upon. No, I'm not going to tell you what it is. And no, you can't have the paint code. No, it's not stock either. So it's kind of a stock paint that we've messed around with. But there you go. Enjoy. Oh yeah. Subscribe. Click the like button. Leave a comment. Do all those things. Tell your friends to do those things. We're almost to 5,000 followers or likes or whatever, subscribers, whatever they are. So thanks everybody for watching. But keep watching and tell your friends to keep watching. Later.